Hey there, I'm Eric Tennant, and this is another episode of Shoppable Madness. This is the Laifen Electric Toothbrush. Let's go ahead and open up the box real quick. Looks like they got these little peel tabs here. Looks like one there and one over there. Nice box. There we go. We got the electric toothbrush. Oh, looks like they got another protective layer over it there. And we got a little, it's like head cap there. Nice. Definitely like their box. They definitely put a lot of effort into that. Kind of reminds me of like the iPhone. We have a USB rechargeable cable, and looks like it actually has got some decent length to it. Let's see. Looks like it has a, I'm gonna say 3.5, 4 foot cable on it. All right, let's see what we got under there. Okay, here is, ta-da! Oh, looks like some contact information, basically how to use the unit. Okay, and there is my QR code for the application. Looks like it comes with 2 brush heads. This one is the Gum Care brush head. And then additionally, we have the Super Clean brush head. Let's go ahead and open up the Super Clean brush head here. Huh. Yeah, like the little cases, that's pretty cool. All right, we'll take off our cap. And it looks like this, you just match up. It looks like the two little, there's a little dot there, there's a dot there. And I think I just, nice. It just presses on just like that. Let's give it a try just real quick. Let's see. Got to hold down the button for 3 seconds and it'll get it out of, it looks like a travel mode. They got a little picture of an airplane there for it. Oh, that's pretty cool. So the brush is oscillating left and right, but there's also a vibration going through the whole unit. So the brush is vibrating as it's pulsating back and forth. That's really cool. Okay, let's go ahead and get that app on the phone real quick and see what that's all about. The one nice thing about that is when you go and lose that manual, after you throw all the packaging away, if you need the app again on your next phone, all you got to do is scan the little QR code on the bottom and that'll get your app again for you. That was a nice little thought there. Let's go ahead and add the device. Now that we have the app downloaded and installed, you can see all the functionality here. Here we got to turn off and on. That's interesting. We have a, well, they named it flight mode. It should be actually called travel mode. It's when it's down in your suitcase, it doesn't get the button pushed, and basically you go to brush your teeth in the morning, you have no battery. So yeah, that travel mode, recommend a rename there. 30-second reminder, that'll remind you when to change the different quadrants of your mouth. I guess that's helpful. And then here at the very, very bottom, we have presets. So we got, let's turn it on there. We got a low preset, a medium preset, and a high preset. It's walking across the table. Cool. So I think I'm gonna go with the medium preset there, and yeah, you can customize these all the way, everything. So basically you're gonna get it to the settings you like, and then you probably end up never going back into that app and doing it again, unless you're like, okay, the oscillating's too much, you'd go in there and adjust it from that point. Looks like additionally up here in the top right corner, you can also see the power level. So we're currently sitting at 20% battery level. I'll definitely have to throw this on the charger. I want to actually test this out real quick, see what it's like. Another cool feature about this unit, just in case you're one of those people that brush your teeth in the bathtub, or the shower, it is fully waterproof. So there we go, and there we go. Yes, definitely passes the waterproofing test. So let's go ahead and brush my teeth now. A bit of toothpaste, a little bit of water. Let's give this a try. Oh, my toothpaste flew off. Okay. All right, you wanna really get your toothpaste matted in there before you hit the button or it'll fly off on you. It's really nice. I'm actually gonna go in and turn the vibration strength off because it feels a little aggressive. Let's try turning it on the 4 of the 10 there. Nice. I definitely recommend the Laifen toothbrush. Ended up looking in, just curious how much dental implants for the whole mouth would end up costing. It can run you upward around $90,000. So an investment into electric toothbrush could definitely pay off dividends in the future for you by one, having your teeth and not having to spend $90,000 on having fake ones drilled into your head. So you can find a link for this down in the description below. There is also a QR code here for anybody watching on TV. I want to thank everybody for watching. Until next time. Yeah, it's a simulation, guys. Sorry about that. Computer in simulation. Peace.